The world continues to face an unimaginable problem, with new variants of viruses appearing along with the realization that we are under attack by an unseen enemy. Pathogens are in the news each day, and we cannot avoid the anxiety that has disrupted our world. The path to good health changes daily with alarming news of pathogens that may cause a wave of disruption in our lives. According to the World Health Organization, the viruses may last on surfaces up to several days, especially on high-touch areas. Every person on this planet has been asked to take the steps to reduce the possibility of cross-contamination. However, it is becoming clearer that we are living a new normal, and we must take the steps to protect ourselves and the ones we love. We need to ensure our safety by cleaning surfaces effectively. The challenge is that disinfected surfaces recontaminate upon contact. A disinfectant is fast-acting immediately, but has no cleansing power over time. Wearing masks as a preventative measure is the new normal, and masks are quickly contaminated as we use them. The FERI Microsilver Protection Natural Spray provides a microbe cleansing protection film. Effectively cleanses to lower microbe growth as silver ions released from microsilver, providing hours of cleaning action, which also reduces unpleasant odors in your masks. This incredible product can take the common face mask, a passive filter, and turn it into an active system to reduce pathogen transfer. Its cleansing action continues over hours and days, eliminating pathogens that can threaten our well-being on all surfaces. European studies on transit buses have proven that this spray continues to work over days, reducing pathogen counts as its silver ions continue to clean over days after its application. Containing no alcohol, it is child-safe while offering new levels of protection. FERI Microsilver Protection Natural Spray may be placed on any surface, cleansing microbes as the silver ions disrupt bacteria and other pathogens. Opulence offers new levels of cleansing powers for a new normal.